amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this. It's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Alright, so we're going to stop. Do what we have to do. Because at the end of the day, I want everything good. Here it is. Medium size pot. 1 cup of hot water. This is some curly parsley. Slices of lemon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. That color makes a difference. Slice of lemon in it. This is organic green tea bag. All right, yeah. Turn off the cooker. So we turn off the cooker and then let that simmer for a bit. Yeah.
Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite, the happy side. Taste Jamaica and you like.
Alright. This is very, very good for if you're a diabetic person. Here it is.
Fish simmering
if you're a diabetic person, this is good. Really good. I mean good. I mean proper good. You want to lower it, make it simmer for a bit. Once it simmer, once it's simmered down and all of that lemon dissolve out into the water, then we're gonna drink it. So 50% off right now, so get yourself a copy of my brand new book. Don't spend all of the money on champagne and expensive shoes and clothes and cologne. Save some of the money and can get yourself a nice lovely book right here. 50% off at the moment. Big up on yourself, you don't know the thing go. You know what I mean? Thank you so much for the support and for your time. Alright? Yeah. By the way, Chef Ricardo is still here to help you guys. It's just to make you know that it is coming ahead of us. Alright? Yeah, it is coming ahead of us, which is gonna be it's not gonna be a normal one. Where you're gonna have to pay to see the professional. If you agree with it, leave your comments down below. Alright? That's what's coming. I hear people talking about it and I was thinking it was a joke thing. So they are saying it is coming. You're gonna have to pay to see your doctor. So don't take it as a joke thing. It is a real thing. Don't think it is a light thing. It is a fact. So you might have said to yourself, oh, you're only talking. No. You will see. So if you're living in England and think you are in paradise, you're not in paradise. Alright? Yeah man, you're not in paradise. Yeah. So all of the people who are drink champagne and we'll call the next one expensive makeup, expensive shoes, first class on the flight. Gonna have to cut down on that now and start do something different. Gonna have to start thinking about the future. Alright? No more first class flight. You know, you have to just jump on economy. Lord of mercy. Anyway, a good vibes. Let's pour out this cup of tea, guys. It's not easy at all, that 2024. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, man. See that? It's not easy. Do not put any sugar or honey or sweetener in this. Lovely. That's it. Very, very simple, but also delicious. Look at that. Excellent and an amazing. Can I have some? 100% you can have some. Alright, that's the beautiful cup of tea this evening in the kitchen from Chef Ricardo. Right here, guys. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. No rush first.